crazy views.
Check it out.
Yeah. Two butterfish here. I already seasoned them already and put them in the fridge. As you can see the way I cut my fish. Cut it down the back, two sides. Get some zigzag cut. Yeah. And the reason why I cut it down the back as well is so that the season can penetrate inside from up here so as well. Yeah, so I'll cook them two fish here. And I put them in the oven, I steam them. Pot ready there. Famous pot. Alright. Some okra there. The okra, fish, and I'm gonna put some little carrot. You know my style already. Yeah. Some green banana. Put one potato inside there. You know? We have some me freestyle and me I cook still. Alright. Okay, so see all that stuff that me I use. Okra, some butter. I use piece of that. Carrot, potato, banana, thyme, garlic, scallion. And we have one noodle there, so by chicken one this. I not have none of the fish one or the pumpkin one, so I just use this. Yeah, and some all-purpose seasoning, which all-purpose there, so yeah, so that's it basically. Now I use no onion, scallion. Yeah. Alright, watch the process. Okay, let's get cracking now. First, let me sort out the scallion first. I'll try to make some different kind of video now. If me go out, like if me outdoor, if me do outdoor videos, more longer videos, me do it in landscape. When I do them little cooking video now, I just do it with mobile view, you know. Still can view it on the TV, but it's mainly for mobile because nobody don't want to watch a long food video. If I outdoor where there's other activities and cooking and stuff, then yeah, I will do a much longer video. But like these little cooking videos, it's just gonna be like this kind of, you know, mobile view. Use half of the pepper here. First set, then I have the thyme there. We just cut up everything right now, just to get the process going. Some green banana, Alright. Some potato. So I'm just cut each potato in 6 pieces. Alright. And I'm gonna put them inside this thing with the fish. So we have some space on the chopping board. There's this garlic. The garlic, I will do that after. I like to use it inside the garlic. Squeeze. Cut the carrot now. Put some butter inside the pot now. I don't have no coconut milk. Normally when I like to use coconut milk, but I don't have any. I run out of coconut milk. So the next process thing is some butter. Baby, you give me ice and fire. Butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Wake up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna leave you, babe. You gave me myself and my time. Dum 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 dum. Butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Wake up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Oh. Alright, so I'm going to put the garlic in now. I'm going to put the garlic in. I like to use this for the garlic, you know. I deal with the garlic away. And then now, all you need to do is just use a knife and just do like that. And you get everything inside. So simple. You don't know say a steam fish me I do right now, so I just I get them I just flavored up a bit. Bring everything together quickly, and then alright, so I need some hot water, so let me turn the kettle on. Alright, before that let me put some all-purpose. Not too much. Okay, so let me add all the other stuff inside now. And then some hot water from the kettle. You want it to just continue, you don't want it to cool down, you know. Yeah. You don't want the process to stop, so use hot water. Right now I'm trying to cut down on certain things, you know. Like cut down on too much rice. Still eat rice, but just cut down on certain things. Eat more, you know. More of them natural kind of food that our body want. So what me I go do now? Me I put this inside, which you don't really have to use this now. Me just I use it today. Cause normally me not use them thing, but me I go use this today. Cut it. And me only want the seasoning bit from it. I don't want the noodle bit. So me I put it through the strainer. Only want the Maggi bit from it. Yes. You have different type in this. You have the cup noodle, you have the chicken noodle, and you have the pumpkin and the fish tea. I don't know of any other one yet. That's what I know of. Yeah, so this what leave inside. I don't want this. I don't want the noodle thing. Alright. And how can I forget the pimento? Don't river pimento. That's enough. So spread them all over the pot. Then what I'm gonna do now is just cover this up and leave it, let it just cook. To take a time and cook, and then I will come back and just add the fish to it and the okra, because I'm trying not to get the okra too softy, even though it's gonna cook, but I don't want the whole slime from the okra to start be too much inside it. So I'm just gonna cover this now and leave it, and then I will get back. See you guys. And listen guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I'm still trying to get to 500 subscribers and I'm just at 266. So if you watch the video guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much in advance. How we looking guys? How we looking? I'm going to add the okras. Let them go and cook a bit before me add the fish inside. Just going to add the okra. I'm not cutting the okra because I don't want the slime to come out, because I'm not the only one eating the fish and it's not everybody like okra like that. So the okra is mine, so I don't want them to get too much inside the sauce, you know. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm about to put the fish inside now. Try and get the fish touching the pot properly. And that was the small one I put inside first. The fish is quite big. A spoon and kind of put some of the. Alright, may I just leave this and make it one, you know? May I just leave that, cover it up and leave it and let it go and do its thing. We will get back to that soon. Okay, so what I'm about to do now is just to get some of the sauce and just throw over the top of the fish. Just like this, what I'm doing now. about finished now anyway. The okra them are going out themselves now. It for next 10 minutes. Good to go. Okay guys, so the fish finished now. Let me try and take one out and put inside this plate. Let me attempt to take one out and put this okra inside. As I said, I'm the one that's gonna eat the okra, so I will just put them inside from now. All this a steam fish. Let's see if we can get it out without it break. That is what I'm trying to do. If I can take it out without it breaking in pieces. Let me try. Okay. Yes, I've done it. Nice steam fish. When I eat this now, like the way I do it, you don't really need anything else because you add food to it as well. The green banana, potato, the carrot, and the okra. So you don't need nothing with it. You know some people are going to say, oh, that wants some crackers and you know. No, this don't want no crackers. Yes, this don't want no crackers. All this one right now, I feel just go down my belly. Make it colorful, put some carrot inside. Okay. That is it guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, and hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world watching this video. Thanks very much for the view. Thanks very much for the views from everyone. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is cover the other one, put it back, and go and enjoy this one by myself. So thank you very much guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye.